Hello and welcome to this lecture where you are going to understand the brief introduction to other machine learning algorithm, which is decision tree. We are going to consider the same data sets. There are some features of the customers, credit history, debts, properties, and income. The goal is to predict the risk to give a loan to a customer. High, moderate, and low. In the naive Bayes algorithm, a probability table is created. On the other hand, when working with decision trees, a tree is created, similar to this one here. We can see that the income is at the top of the tree, then we have the credit history, debts, the credit history here again, and see the rectangles at the ends. That means the classes or the risk, high, moderate, or low. A lot of mathematical calculations are performed in order to build this tree. I'm not going to go into detail about the math, but if you want to search, there are basically two math calculations that are performed, the entropy and the information gain. The most significant features are at the top of the tree. Let's suppose a new customer has just arrived in the bank and he or she is requesting a loan. The history is good, debts high, properties none, income greater than 35. Now we just need to follow the tree. See that the first attribute is the income, and the value is greater than 35. So we go to the right part of the tree, because to the left is when income is less than 15, to the center between 15 and 35, and to the right greater than 35. When we go to this side, we need to check another feature, which is the credit history. See here that the value is good for this client. So we go to the left part of the tree, and here at the end or at the leaf of the tree, the risk is equal to low. So this customer will be classified as low. See that the debts and also the properties are not used in this classification, since both features are not in the right part of the tree. Something very interesting is that properties is not present in the tree, since after the mathematical calculations, this attribute was considered not to be relevant to classify the risk. Let's suppose a new customer has just arrived in the bank with the following values: history bad, debts high, properties good, income less than 15. As we know, the first attribute to be verified is the income. See here that the income is less than 15. So we go to the left part of the tree, and here is the result. The risk is equal to high. For this particular customer, the history and the debts are not taken into account in the classification. This is how decision tree works. The data is sent to the algorithm after the mathematical calculations. A tree is created, and to classify new customers, you just need to take the data of the customer and follow the tree until you get to a leaf node. See you next time!